Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Roberto Enriquez and this is a video tutorial on how to create poached egg or egg benedict. Today we're going to show you how easy and quick you can create this beautiful meal for you and your family. So today also we're going to do some grilled cheese on the side. So this is going to be also about grilled cheese. Today we're going to focus on the egg, but we're going to do a grilled cheese. And the reason why? I'll tell you why. Because many times when you do the sauce, you're having the whites to be wasted because you have no use for them. So what I do is that I use them to coat the grilled cheese, and these look very nice. All right, guys. So let's do a quick recap of what we actually need. So salt and pepper, butter, egg. This is all, and a little bit of oil for the poached egg. Now, for the water of the poached egg, we're gonna put a little bit of vinegar and salt. Okay, so this is for the water. But that's basically what you need for the poached egg. Now, for the grilled cheese, what we're doing on the side, of course, we have the cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want, and then we have the ham, right? So, and the bread, of course, and that's all you need. All right, so let's start creating these poached eggs. So we're gonna start with, and we're gonna go quickly. So probably we're gonna speed this up for you so that you don't have to watch how I do everything. We'll slow it down where it makes sense. All right, so first of all, I like to prep first. I'm not by any means a professional chef. I'm a amateur chef like everybody else of you probably at home watching this. I'm not Ramsay by any means or anybody like that, not even close. But I'll show you that even I can do this. All right. So I will take a little bit of the butter. This you can do on your taste. So that's as much as we're gonna take from the butter here. We're gonna start separating the egg. There are many ways how to go about it. So many people will take a knife and do this, or take a sharp edge and do this. I used to do that. Lately, I've checked Ramsay and other cooks, they don't do that. Because if you smash the egg with something sharp, then the chips, microchip, will go inside the egg, and you don't want those in your poached egg, okay? So, we'll try like Ramsay, this might go totally wrong, okay? So we'll try to break it like that, and then come here, and there is one egg. I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna break this. See, it's cracked nicely. I'm gonna put it standing like that, and the whites will start to go down. Okay. Then I will move it on this other side, and the whites finally will finish in here. And the yolk, it's separated. Okay. So I need two of those. So we'll do this again. We'll crack and stand up and stand it. This will probably not crack properly, or yes. Just have to be patient with it. Once you master it, you might be faster than me, which of course you will. But just take your time with it. You want to do this with love. This is for people that you love. You want to do this with love. You want to take your time. Separating the egg, put it in there, and that's it. That's how you separate the egg. So we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to introduce this vinegar, a little bit, and we're going to introduce the salt. And this, I like to go, I like to put enough salt here. So I'm gonna put the butter for like about a minute so that it melts. But I'm gonna just kind of watch it that it's melting, and then I'm gonna just bring it back. In the meantime, we can work on our grilled cheese. All right, so now for the sandwiches, I will use these later on, and I will use this pan to fry them, okay? But for the moment, we are golden with the sandwich. So what we want to do is to start working on getting ready the sauce, and we're gonna put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, okay? So as you can see, the water already is kind of boiling. You want it boiling, but not too much, because then the egg will be all over the place. And what you want to do is to do the vortex, as I showed you before, like that. Oh, water is spilling out a little bit. You want to do the vortex. Bring your egg and slowly poach it in. And this is how you poach an egg. Now, you might ask me, okay, so how do you know when it will be ready? First of all, this egg should look, it should be liquid inside, but already cooked. So we'll give it about 2 minutes. This is what you don't want. You don't want this thing very crazy, so I put it down. Now, you see, this is more or less how you want it to have it, and that is even maybe too much. So we'll give it about 2 minutes. So we're gonna take the egg out. You see that it's floating, so that means it's ready, okay? When it goes up, it's ready. Now I have the experience that many times it's floating and it's not quite ready, so that's why I like to let it sit for a little bit. I like to touch it, poke it a little bit, and I see that it's firm, but it's soft in the inside, so it's perfect. And you see, we put it here to dry. We're gonna take this out. This is the butter, okay? And we're gonna work on this. You wanna bend it like that. You wanna be doing this. I'm gonna put it down because I'm one-man operation at the moment, so I'm gonna do this, right? I wanna mix this well. Now I'm gonna take this and slowly put it in. And what you don't want, you want this thing to be mixing together, so you want to take your time with it. This is also cooking the egg a little bit, so that's why you need it hot. For two reasons. One, so that it's blend with the egg nicely, and two, so that it kind of cook the egg to the point that it's safe to eat. And by safe I mean pasteurized. Sit a little bit. That's why it changed color. You want to work on this sauce. You want to be really mixing it. I typically take, if you're lazy, you can take a little hand mixer, but if you overdo it with a hand mixer, it will look like crap. So I recommend you to do it by hand. And you're looking for that kind of color, not super jello, because then it means that you overdid yourself a little bit. All right, I'm gonna start working on the grilled cheese here. What you want is, remember, we had the whites that we don't want to waste, so we're gonna put it here, okay? I'm gonna put it here, like that, like so. And we need to do both breads from both sides, so we wanna be careful how we do this. Like so. You wanna take not too much, not too little, just enough. Now, we're gonna work here on our sandwich. And here's how we're gonna do this. And we're gonna bring the sandwich in. Sandwich in. We're gonna come here, and this thing must be hot. All right? So this is a grilled cheese, and if you open it, you see that it's cheesy inside, right? But we want it close. Now, I like to do it this way, but this is really up to you. I like to take the grilled cheese. And cut it in half first. This is up to you how you like to do this, okay? But I like to do this. Plate it like that. Then I like to take the poached egg in the pretty side, take the stuff out that are not nice, and put it in. These are hard. Okay, and put it in like that. Then the sauce, for the sauce, you want to take a spoon. Take a spoonful and drop it from the top. Take a spoonful, drop it from the top. And this is grilled cheese with poached egg. Here's the real test. And that's what you want on your poached egg. You want that center to be liquidy and everything else to be nice and cooked. So there you have it, poached egg, made at home, very easy, no effortless. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. I will be posting more of these, and if you would like me to see doing something different, let me know. I'll try to put it together for you so that you can see that also you can do these things at home. Thank you very much. So what do you think about the egg though?
Bro, when I saw you putting the egg white on the sandwich, I was like, what the hell is he doing? But now when I'm eating it, I'm like, oh my god, bro.
Is it good?
That's, oh my god. You took the poached like to the next level, bro. Like, wow.
I'm glad you like it, bro. This is fun because making you happy is like, make it so much worth it to do this.
Guys, you have to try this at home, especially now when you're bored home, you know. It's a really nice recipe, and Dad took it a notch higher, like, wow.
And if you guys want to see Leo cooking, like, subscribe, because he also knows how to do some things.
500 likes and I'll cook the hardest meal in the world.
Not in the world.
Yeah, okay.
But maybe something that you will comment, guys. So comment below, and maybe we will have Leo cook next time.
See you all later.